Hi, I'm Katie Bavoso from Channel Insider here at Pax8 Beyond 2024, joined by Naaila Hossain, CEO of Techcierge. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much for having me. I'm so glad I could be here today.
It's a pleasure to have you and to get to talk to you. So first of all, let's talk about Techcierge. Tell me what you do, how long you've been a Pax8 partner.
Yeah, so Techcierge started in 2019, and through Pax8, I realized what an MSP actually was. We're a modern day MSP. We're female owned, we're a Mac shop, we're a Google shop. We're very different than a lot of the people that you see here, but Pax has still kind of helped us forge our way and our place in this community. And I'm a huge part of the academies. I'm part of the First Phoenix group. I try to be everywhere Pax is because this community has given me growth that has turned my company unstoppable.
I absolutely love to hear all of that. Female-owned MSP,
Yes.
Absolutely love to hear it. Let's talk more about, first of all, some of the announcements that came out of today. Pax8 announced that they're making changes to their marketplace in which they're incorporating a self-service portal that can be customized to your customers.
I love that.
Yeah, tell me about that. Why do you love it, and what is that going to do for your business?
Yeah, so we're an MSP that kind of focuses in the creative ad world, hence why we're a Mac Google shop. But I think with that comes a lot of freelancers, comes a lot of turnaround, just because that's how the industry is. So I think something like a self-service portal, I could spin it up for one of my clients, and when a freelancer comes, if they need, say, Microsoft Office, or if they need some sort of product suite or something like that, they have the ability to kind of just go in and grab what they need. And some of these freelancers are only coming for a short period of time. So that approval process of, hey tech, we actually need this, can you install this on the computer? That kills a lot of that time, which will in turn help my clients be more productive, especially when they have people coming in for short periods to make a video or a presentation or something along those lines.
So it's really saving you time and saving you the hassle of having to explain and go through the process every
Yeah,
time.
and not only for me, but for my client as well, right? Like sometimes we know, hey, this freelancer's coming, but until they know what project they want, we don't know what exact tools they need. But if we could say, here's all the tools that are available to you, come into this portal, click a button, and you can get it sent to you, it's magic. We're very security focused. Cybersecurity is huge in the advertising world, though it should be huge in kind of every industry. But I think when we're thinking about security and we're thinking about making sure our clients are compliant and that they're staying secure, something like the Opportunity Manager is gonna just help that. Rather than me being like, should I input X, Y, and Z software and maybe this will help them get compliance? Now using AI and Pax's technology, they're already vetting that and they're like, hey, Techcierge, this would work great for this client. Maybe you should upsell this. And so I think it really creates that full workflow and that full function for us, for sure.
Let's talk about Google as one of your main vendors that you partner with. You say you're a Google shop. You're different from other partners here, as we know Microsoft is a big vendor and hyperscaler within Pax8. So talk to me about how you still find yourself catered to by Pax8, knowing that you're a Google shop more specifically.
You know, in the last couple years, more and more people on Pax's line card support Google. Actually, I just came from the Roost breakout, and the reason I even wanted to go there was because 3 weeks ago they launched Google support and Google automation. So I think that vendors are also seeing that Google is here and that we have a presence and that people use Google and that they would be falling short, kind of not keeping up with it. And I think Pax realized that a long time ago because Pax has been doing a good job about bringing Google in. And not even Google, but even Apple, right? Like they have Adigy. I'm a huge Adigy user. I buy it through Pax, but it's something that was made specifically just for someone like me. And so I'm even being recognized in these Windows spaces with these Apple and Google tools. So I always feel like though the MSP world is a little bit more Windows and it is Microsoft focused, that there's a place for us and Pax makes sure that there's room for us here.